Hi, I'm Sohali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this: flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all: curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic, because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
Hi, this is Dr. Rishna Joseph from Splendore Aesthetic Clinic, HSR, Bangalore. Today I would be speaking about dandruff. As we know, it is not just the dryness. The dandruff is nothing but inflammation caused by the fungal growth, overgrowth in the scalp region, causing more redness and itching. And thus, this is not just the dryness, as it leads into, if it is not treated, timely treated, it can lead into seborrheic dermatitis, which is chronic inflammation of the scalp, where the patient presents with redness, itching. And sometimes this can also further progress into hair fall, and sometimes this dandruff, the flakes which are present, can be a trigger on the skin, causing acne formation. So now I would say dandruff is just not the dryness, it is a chronic inflammation of the fungus, causing sometimes acne and sometimes leading into seborrheic dermatitis.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
When you need to seek the doctor or the professional help for dandruff is when the patient finds the scalp having more of redness, or there's so much of flakiness and so much of inflammation, and there's a constant itching of the scalp. That's when you need to seek the doctor. Or when you have tried many home remedies and it has failed, or you're taken some counter products and it has failed. And when there's excessive hair fall along with flaking of the skin, that's when you need to seek the doctor. And when there is so much of acne or some flakes which are present beyond the scalp, on the earlobes or on the eyebrows, can produce some white particles present on the brows and earlobes, which can also be a trigger factor for some amount of inflammation on the skin. That's when you need to see the doctor.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
And we know most commonly dandruff is caused by the yeast, Malassezia yeast, which is a most common factor for the dandruff. And we also know that any oily ambience can further uh, enhance the growth of the fungus. So hence, application of the oil to the scalp may be totally contraindicated in the patient suffering from dandruff. And also, we also know very importantly how the diet, like diet less in iron content or protein content or zinc content, can also be a trigger factor for the dandruff inflammation to be ongoing on. And the fourth factor is the stress, how we handle the stress, how do you manage the stress, becomes all this becomes a trigger factor for the dandruff management. And some home remedies also become resistant or becomes irrelevant for the management of the dandruff at home. For example, if you're trying any what is that commonly used is a lemon juice. Okay, when you use this lemon juice on the acidic surface of the inflamed scalp, can be worsening the inflammation of the scalp than helping in healing of the scalp. So absolutely it's contraindicated. And applying oil, as I mentioned, the flakes can get adhered to it, and the Malaysian yeast can further enhance the growth in such kind of an ambience. So hence applying oil to the scalp can be most commonly contraindicated. Maybe the oil can be applied only to the strands of the hair than to the scalp of the hair, because oil remains as a conditioner for helping the softness of the hair. Thus, I would say is management of the dandruff is not just the dandruff inflammation control, it is also the trigger factors which needs to be in combat to be treated. Diet management, stress management, in hand would help in the treatment of dandruff.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
Yeah, this is when do you need to see the doctor at the earliest? Yes, when you see the flaking of the skin, there's a lot of flakes falling, and when there's some amount of itching or redness, that's when you need to see the doctor, the professional doctor, for early treatment. As we know, early treatment can prevent you further progressing into seborrheic dermatitis, or it is extending beyond the scalp to the earlobes and eye. So, thus, I would say is at the earliest when you meet the doctor, early treatment is a better way of preventing yourself than progressing into a intensive form of dandruff where you need long-term treatment.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
Yeah, correct. So, what are the products? I mean, any harsh products on the hair which can trigger or cause inflammation to be avoided. Majorly, we recommend is anti-dandruff shampoos, and that can be used. And also, we need to manage the diet which contains omega-3 fatty acids and iron, zinc, proteins. So, all this should be in a balanced way available in the food, and consumption on a longer duration can reduce the trigger factor or causing inflammation on the scalp. And also, as we mentioned, stress management. How do I think everybody has stress? How do we handle the stress is most important. Is how do we address the stress is also very important. And doing timely exercise, physical workout, meditation, all this can be a cooling effect on the subsidizing the inflammation on the scalp. So if these things are managed by yourself to a greater extent would contribute in the management of the dandruff. Thank you.
So, dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching. It signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.